Most purchases in life don't come with instructions. Some assembly required
All right, where's the remote?
is always an understatement. And you shouldn't need a degree in rocket science to start using life's essentials. Because your time should be spent living, not assembling. Visit Povison.com, featuring a wide selection of timeless furniture pieces. There's something for everyone. We provide the perfect blend of sleek design and seamless technology. Povison, fully assembled, ready to live in.